Okay, I'm playing f4. Uh, well, fork be a counter gambit. Knight f3. Blackburn attack. Hmm. Oh man. I think pawn must take on d5, right? And let me see. What do I do here? Knight c3. Knight c3. Okay. What do I do? I do bishop c4. Oh no! Because if bishop c4 knight takes. Actually, I can. I think I can. Yeah. Interesting. Is this the theoretical approach? So now I reckon knight takes, pawn takes, queen takes, king takes. That's super messy. I mean, it can't get messier than this. Can't get messier than this. I don't know. Okay, let's find out. What? Huh. Dude, that's a nice one. Think the guy takes, the guy plays. I'm checking. What am I doing? No. Okay, I've got to take on d5. And then I'm going to give a check. Okay, if I take with this guy, takes and check. Right? Is that playable? I think it might be. What about queen e2 though? Okay. So I'm really thinking about queen e2, you see? Queen e2, is that a bad thing? Is there something stronger? Queen e2. Well, they could do bishop c5. No. Queen e2 is quite strong because this guy is pinned. And if they take, probably I'm going to take. Queen e2. Is that strong enough? So the bishop is pinned now. If they move the knight, it doesn't really matter. I'm going to take with this pawn, and then bishop is going to recover on f4, I reckon. I mean, I'm just looking for active moves, and probably I've got, I mean, I hope I got this one correctly. 8 minutes 26 for me. Okay. All right, so they didn't do nothing in regards with the, now the bishop is no longer pinned. That's one particular thing. Bloody hell, should I just go for like tradings and stuff? Check c6. Not particularly keen on that one. What else? No, I gotta do something about this. Do we start a process of uh, trading takes, queen takes, and just a d3, and then they're gonna castle? No, actually they can't because I'm gonna take that guy for free, right? Maybe. That might be delaying them a bit. So I don't think they castle now. But it's, okay, so I guess they're gonna play a knight over to c6 or maybe d7. That's what I think they're gonna play. Is there anything else? Okay. Okay, 4-6. Okay, same number of pawns. This guy is a little bit pinned now. King can't be castle now because I'm just gonna take this guy. So I don't think he's gonna castle. I don't think he's gonna castle. Okay, time-wise, I think we're doing reasonably okay. What does he want to do? I think I should castle, though. They're gonna check me, you see. Wait a second. What if I just take this guy? I don't care what you do. Let me just take this guy here. They could castle now. Okay. Yeah. I do need to castle. This way, I reckon. Oh, man. It's getting hot now. And then I gotta move the king if they check me because they cleared the way for the rooks. So if bishop c5, I'm not gonna play bishop. Yeah, I've got to move the queen now. I mean, like now, immediately. This is it. I have to. Okay, if there's a check, I reckon King H1 must be played. This guy is hanging, but King safety comes first now, very important. If there is no other issue, probably I'm just going to go for the c7 pawn. Bishop takes on c7, but let me see what they're going to play now. I don't know what they're going to play. Okay, bishop c5, that was to be expected. How do I respond to this? Do I do d4? I don't think so. I'm going to lose that pawn for nothing. I don't know, king h1, right? Okay. I think that's the correct one. Okay, so far so good. Oh, he wants to trade. What's this? Uh, should I play? I mean, I don't want to lose any pawn. Should I do b3? Bishop takes, queen takes. I mean, I want to play a rook here, you see. But in the minute I do it... Oh, actually, if I'm so concerned about the pawn, why don't I just take? Because I want to get the queen, that's why. Because I want to get the queen on f4, frankly. So let's assume rook e. Bishop takes, queen takes, queen takes. Rook takes, and I've got an interesting triple attack with them with this. So again, one, let's just say, two, and if three, rook takes, and then I'm going to do something with the knight. And I'm going to triple attack on f7, and then he's going to drop the rook back. I'm not sure. Okay, I'm not sure. That takes some calculation. It takes some time. I don't want to lose any pawn, that's for sure, but I don't know what to play. I could do the prophylactically. This. Is a3 workable? I think that's... I hope I'm not missing anything. Okay, a3 stops a lot of problems. Stops a lot of things like knight, like bishop, like all sorts of things. Okay, if they want to take on f4, probably I'll just, yeah. So let's see what I want to do. They took, and I'm going to take, obviously. And we're going to take it from here with something like what? Knight g5 looks good. c7 also hanging for them now, so, you know. Yeah, I'm gonna go for the pawns, see if there's nothing more aggressive. I should play a rook on e1. So I'm thinking about rook a e1 as well. Although if I take on c7 is quite dangerous for black. I mean, you know, I'm gonna go for the b7 then. So he's got a problem on their hands. On the other hand, if they play a rook on e2, they'll be attacking on c2. That's true. Okay. Could be. Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. So now what the heck do I do? Because e7 is going to take with the rook, right? I don't know. What? So I'll take, and if the guy plays the knight, then I'm a bit in trouble, I guess. I should take on c7, don't I? Or I play rook c1? Do I do this way? Do I play like this? Rook c1? Rook c1. And then I'm going to take on c7. Okay, I'm not very proud of this, but this guy is a little bit can't move because he's got this. Okay, I already, yeah, okay. Okay. That's quite a few things here. I don't like it. I don't like it. He's got that thing. Oh, crap. Okay. Tough one. I don't know. Okay, that's now very obvious. Um, I gotta be careful about that thing. Yeah, I should be trading. I should be trying get rid. Yeah, that's a thing. If I take it, I got a problem on G2. Okay, let me think a bit. No, 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 no. Mm, does this solve the problems? Where is it gonna go? Okay, okay. Okay, I mean, I'm gonna put it on the engine afterwards anyway, so okay, but let me just try Queen D4, hoping I'm gonna trade the queens off the board now. And then I'll go, maybe I'm getting a clearer picture. Don't forget, guys, to follow me on Twitch if that's useful to any degree. Perhaps subscribing to the YouTube channel. There are some nice videos over there on various openings. Okay, so for the time being, I am attempting at trading queens, and it, or at least eliminate the knight or something. Or okay, let's see what's his response to this, because yeah, I can't tolerate that queen combined with the rook, so probably that's the wisest approach. Now, if queen takes white queen, knight takes the black queen, attacking the black rook with tempo, so that's what I'm thinking. And then he's gonna be forced to, what the heck is that? Okay, I'm gonna take this guy. I'm gonna take it right now. Ah, and then he's gonna double over there. Hmm. Ah, what do I do? Oh, I think I know. I'm gonna do this. Just gonna take, I'm gonna take. I guess. I hope I'm not missing anything. He can't take the knight. So if rook takes and rook takes, he cannot take the knight because of this. So maybe that's one way to solving. Okay. Ah. I think I might be 4-6. Yeah, I think I'm going to get the guy's draw. Knight takes, rook takes. I mean, I'm going to accept the draw. I'm not feeling. Yeah, I mean, I didn't feel I had something like huge advantage or anything. It's a long, arduous, and difficult chess ending in which you got to play incredibly, incredibly precisely. Knight takes, rook takes, pawn takes. Then I'm gonna need like 1, 2, 3, 4 tempos to keep that guy under attack, and he's only needing 1, 2. So maybe in principle the position for white could be slightly better, but it's by no way that means I'm going to win it easily or something. It's very difficult. So I don't think that's a chess ending. Oh yeah, look at the engine here. Plus 0.38 is is very negligible, guys. Plus 0.38 is very negligible. This is just, and no way I'm going to play something. I would have played something like knight g1 in order to relocate knight e2 and then knight c3 to attack the black rook on d5. It's not a human approach. I mean, okay, if I had more time on my hands, maybe. Maybe I could contemplate this kind of stuff. But in 3 minutes playing this thing here, I don't think so. Okay, good stuff. There's no blunders being done. Okay, good. Let's see the game review list. Let's see what we did do here. Okay. That's oh freaking hell. We both had a very good freaking accuracy. We played quite a bunch of moves here. And for a long day, I think I fared pretty decently, 92.3. I think that's, I can't ask for more. What else? Yeah, okay. There are a bit some dubious moves here. Move number 8, knight takes d5. I mean, queen d4 as being the mistake I might have played. What the heck does the engine want me to play here? Rook c to e1 minus 013. So, okay, so that clarifies the right, because the guy can't take on c2 because the knight is sort of hanging, and then the folk kind of needs to take, and I take, and he takes, and I take, and he takes, and I take, and okay, right, and maybe in a different game and stuff like that. But overall, I think it's acceptable for a long day that I had, the 9-2 accuracy. I think that's acceptable. Yeah, so I think 2,500. Yeah, I think that's good. So I'm declare myself quite happy with this one. So okay, how many moves have I played with this guy? 17 moves. No, more than 21 moves. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's a good one. Probably more tea. I need more tea or more coffee or something to try and think something. Um. Okay, I'm gonna go get some more coffee.